channel, Budget for Success. Woo! My name is Onyx, and today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes! Today is a great day. We are going to take money from some saving challenges that we have finished. Yes, all of these savings challenges. And we're going to put it into our sinking funds. So let's get started. Saving with Shalonda. Saving with Shalonda. We are going to sink the funds. Woo! $1,296 that we're going to be allocating into our sinking funds. And I have played this offline, so I think I know what I'm doing. Here are the envelopes, the bling envelopes that we're going to put the money in. So let's get started because we got a lot of money to stuff. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I get to choose the amount and choose the fund. Woo! Right off the bat, I'll tell you what. I'm going to put $100 into the cruise. That's right. There we go. How about that? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20 goes into the college fund. Of course, the college fund is going to come and represent today. You know it is. So $20. Let's spin it again. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're back at start. 2. $40. $40 into household. Household is 40 bucks, which is good because, you know, we need to be responsible. All the money can't go to cruise. 6. On the line, hubby, and I decided, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $50. I decided me and hubby, we're gonna split this money. It's gonna go between him and I. Yes, the kids are not in this equation. Okay, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $30 goes to household. Now y'all heard my hubby talk about when are we not going to have to put money aside for the kids. So I was like, okay baby, this time I'm just gonna look it to you and I. Just me and you this time. Hubby. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, we didn't get anything. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $30 goes to me and the hubby. Another 9. And it's going to go to the cruise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $10. What do you know? But that's okay because I put 100 in there. So I am straight. 8 is going to hubby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $40. $40 to hubby. It's both of us. This is fun. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $30 is going to the trust attorney. We must fund some responsible categories. We cannot do all fun under the sun. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $10 goes to, I'm gonna call it business. It's right on the line, but oh well. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20 goes to household. Another responsible category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get to choose the amount and the fund. Y'all, I'm gonna choose the cruise. I'm sorry, I'm all cruise today. Not even for my hubby and me. Nope, all cruise today. There we go. I put $100 in there. Yes, I did. 7. Hubby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $20. We are making out. Uh-oh, y'all. I noticed birthday is not gotten any money. We must do birthday. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $10. Back to the cruise. Okay, come on, birthday. I need you to get some money because we got too many birthdays coming. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20 to the trust attorney. Oh, vacation didn't get anything either. $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $20 to the trust attorney. Oh my goodness, what is really going on? We got 2, which is 1, 2, $10 to college. Oh, college is back here. All right. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $10 to the trust attorney. We're gonna call that trust attorney. I don't know why I'm slacking. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $50. Uh-oh, to hubby. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get my cell phone. That's what I'm gonna do. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $30 to it's hubby. Woohoo. Ooh, y'all, I'm just all over the place. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I get to choose amount and choose the fund. Okay, y'all, we got to do birthday. So we doing $100 to birthday. We have to put some money in birthday. All right, I'm okay, but we haven't hit vacation. That's okay, but we gotta hit birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that say? Uh-oh, it says birthday anyway. Choose amount and choose fund, but it's birthday. So there we go. 20, 40, 50 to birthday. $3. 1, 2, 3, $10 to it's the cruise. It looked like it to me. It's on the line, but it's the cruise. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $30 again to the cruise. To the cruise. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose the amount. It landed on cruise. I can live without vacation. Let's put money here. This is for my business. Let's put some money in here. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $30 goes to hubby. We are coming up this time. Don't tell us nothing. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $20. College. 20. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $10 to college. 8. Hubby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only $10. Shoot. Hey, I've got like $50 on this board, but we're not landing on it. 1, 2, 3, $30. It's on the line. I'm gonna send it to the cruise. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. $50. Who's getting 50? Oh man. Now that's a good honest spin. I didn't want it to go to the trust attorney though. Ooh. All right. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $30 to college. Finger keeps getting in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get to choose, so scrap that. Okay, I got my business. Oh, let's do more on birthday. So 20, 40, 50 on birthday. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20. It's on the line, but we're gonna do. Let's see. Has the college fund been doing okay? It's $20. Let's do 20 to the college fund. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to trust attorney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $10 to the trust attorney. Okay, we're running out of the big money. We're about to move to the 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I choose any amount, and it landed on the cruise, so we're gonna go with the cruise. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. $50 to the cruise. I can choose, and that's what I choose. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can choose. Let's see. Do I want to stay with the cruise? I didn't put anything in vacation. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's do 25 in vacation. Oh, I hope we don't have an IOU. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $40. All right. 40 goes to my business. 5, 10, 15, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're down to the last bit, y'all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So that's $40. And hubby, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. There we go. I can't not do this. 1, 2, 3. We landed on 3. It says choose the amount, choose the fund. It landed on hubby. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Ooh. Because I don't want to spin again. All right, let's see what we would get. What would we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. Okay, all right, I'm gonna leave 20. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So all this is going to me and hubby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $11 goes to me and hubby. And this last 20 goes to the trust attorney. All right, so what? Okay, let's see how everybody did. We are done with our fun. Let's move all this out the way. Okay, my business got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, 72,468, 80. No, that's wrong. First of all, how about we put the 20 in first? And let's do this. Trusty dusty calculator. 2, 4, 5, 6, half, 7, half, 8. So we got 80. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. I was right. So we got $100 into the business. All right. That's good. That's good. That's good. Birthday. How did you do, birthday? How birthday turned out? 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $200 in birthday. Woo! $200. Wish it could have been more. Hey, look at here, look at here, look at here. The Jones family came up on this one. Yeah, y'all, we came up. I'm not gonna lie, we came up. Let's see. I know it's more than 200. I know that much. So we got 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So that's 260, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. $271. Yes, for the Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. This was household. I forgot all about household. 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 went into household. Okay, household, you got some money. I forgot you was even in here. And let's see what the trust attorney did today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, half, 15. So that's 151, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. $160 to the trust attorney. We just keep adding money, just slowly but surely. Sam's college fund is another one. We just keep adding money to it, just slowly but surely. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $110. Right before he graduates, I'm gonna get real aggressive. I don't know where the money gonna come from, but I'm gonna get real aggressive. This is vacation. That's money that was in there. 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 goes to vacation. And my flights. Let's see how we did for the cruise. Oh yes, I forgot that $100 bill was in here. Yep. So let's see. We got a 50 in here too. So let's see. Let's see if I can do it. 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, half 33, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, half 33, half 34. Woo-hoo-hoo. $340 goes to the cruise. Yay! That was fun. Thank you, Saving with Shalonda. Saving with Shalonda. Oh, these are the dice it comes with, y'all. It didn't come with the bling dice. Okay, and there's another board too. So you can either put the amount you want on here, or she gives you a board. She gave me a lot of extras. I really appreciated it. And then I got 2 of these spinners as well. And she gave you these sheets that I need to fill in. So you put your categories and you say beginning balance and ending balance. So I'm gonna fill this out off camera. But this was really fun. It helped me allocate the funds pretty quick. And that was a lot of money to put in there. Woo! That was fun. All right, guys. That's all I have for today. And I just want to, remind you to have fun. Have fun. This whole thing about saving money, boy, if you can have fun, it makes you want to save even more. That's what it's all about. I wish the world had our secret, but they don't. So that's okay. And they don't all understand. But we get it, and it's working for us. And that's all that matters. That's all I have for today. If you like this video, please come back for more. And like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for